Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to add captions now. Start by selecting the sequence you'll caption, because the transcription binds to that timeline. Once selected, make sure the audio is clean and routed to one channel. This improves accuracy. Open window, choose text, then transcribe sequence. In the dialog, set the language, enable detect speakers if needed, and pick the correct audio track. This initiates Premiere Pro's speech-to-text process, which creates the raw transcript and timing data you'll refine next. Once the transcription completes, you'll see the raw text aligned to timecodes. Review it and correct obvious errors because the captions inherit that text. Then click Create Captions, choose a subtitles format, SRT, MCC, or Open Captions, set max characters per line, and pick caption placement. Make sure to trim long pauses and tighten timing where words overlap video action. You can also assign speaker labels for clarity. These adjustments give viewers readable, well-timed captions that match the pacing of your edit. Finish by exporting captions the way your platform needs. Embed them, burn them in, or export a sidecar SRT. Make sure the sequence frame rate and timeline match export settings so captions stay synced. If captions drift, re-export with correct frame settings or recreate captions from the corrected transcript. And if the speech-to-text accuracy is poor, apply noise reduction, retranscribe, or manually edit the transcript. This is the fastest fix. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatch in sample rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.